Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do some Windows switches upgrade on the Tacoma. Come on, let's begin. Alright, so this is the upgraded switch kit from CARTRIMHOME. And if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. You can use my discount code FG7P to save 7% off your purchase. So for this one, first, the build quality on these switches, they are nice. They're like OEM grade material that they use on this one. The clicks on these buttons, they are nice. And also for this one, as we all know, with the stock Tacoma, it only comes with the front to have an automatic window. Now with this particular upgrade, we have the rear passenger's window to have an automatic capability. Also for this one, we're going to upgrade the rear individual switch. Also, we're going to change the front passenger side door switch so that we'll have a uniform color once that backlight is on. All right, so come on, let's proceed with the install. All right, so first we need to remove the stock and we just need to pry this out. Okay, there you go. And we can just pry it on the other side. There you go. So just be careful pulling this with the wire. Okay, so we just need to unplug all of the harness in here and basically just do the same on all of the doors. So let's work on this one first. All right, so for this we just need to remove the 3 screws in here. So we'll need a Phillips head screw, and we're going to transplant or install the new one. So this one, easy install. So as you see there, I just remove it or pull it quickly in there, and now the new one, again, just easy, just slide it. Now we're just gonna screw this together and then we're going to put it back and we'll do some testing. All right, so there you go. So everything is put back together. So yeah, so let's put it now. All right, so for this one, basically just reverse the process. So just plug it back in there. Make sure you hear the click. All right, and before you press it back, you can test it. All right, so let's test it before we put it back. Let's test it. Let's put it into ignition. So let's try it. So the front. Now the other one. So lock. All right, so that works. So now let's test the rear. Testing the rear. All right, it works. Let's test the other side. All right, it works. All right, so basically from here, it's gonna be very easy. We just need to install the rest of the doors. Okay, so let's push this down now. All right, so here in the back, same procedure. Basically, we need to remove this. All right, so just pry this one out with your pry tool. And again, it should be very easy. As much as possible, use a plastic pry tool to avoid any scratches. All right, so again, just pull this upward. Don't twist it to avoid any clips from breaking. There you go. So again, just pull that cable and just need to unclip this. There you go, just unclip it. And this one, we just need to unclip this too. You see this clips in here or tabs. We just need to release those and we can pull this out. Let's go on the table. And also, as you see here in the back, so the one that got the white backing, these are the rear passenger side doors, and this is the front passenger side door switch. All right, so just remember that the one that is black is on the front passenger side door. So let's proceed installing the rear doors. All right, so once you work on the tabs, just pull it. There you go. So very easy. So just do all the same on all of the 4 doors or 3 remaining doors. All right, now we can simply install the new one. So if we compare this one has some capacitors, I think, I don't know, but yeah, so you simply put it in here. All right, so it clicks. That's it. So we're just gonna test this before we snap it back. All right. All right, so now let's plug this back in. Okay, and now before we put it back, snap, we're gonna test it. One way also that you can do is before you put it on the actual trim in here, you can plug it in and test it that way. That's one way also to do it, all right? So come on, let's test this one out. All right, so now let's test the switch. And it works. Awesome. So yeah, so if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. You can use my discount code FG7P to save 7% off your purchase. All right, so here, let me show you the light on this. So again, just to make sure that you change all of the switch on all of the doors so that you'll have an even or uniform lighting on your door. Let me show you the other doors also. One moment. All right, so this is the rear driver side. Nice, right? And so let's check the rest of the doors. All right, so this one is the front passenger side. So as you can see, they have even colors or uniform colors on all of the doors. So let's check the last door. All right, so this is the rear passenger side door. So yeah, as you can see, they have uniform colors. So I highly suggest that you install all of the new switches, especially the front passenger. Since that one has an automatic door, you may think that you don't need to install it. But again, it's up to you. But to have that uniform color on all of the doors, I suggest that you install everything. If you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.